Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making rosemary meatball bites. These rosemary meatball bites are perfect for holiday entertaining or just even if you want to make for a cozy weeknight dinner. Let me show you guys how to make them. So the first step to making these rosemary meatball bites is preheating the oven to 350 degrees. So in a large mixing bowl, I have 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of ground pork. Mixing pork in with the beef is going to give these meatballs so much more flavor. This is how my yaya made them. But if you guys only have beef, you can feel free to use all beef as well. That's totally okay. So next we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. You guys could also use melted ghee if you prefer. Next we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary. Next we're adding in 2 teaspoons of salt, then 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then we're going to add in some garlic. You guys can use fresh garlic or minced garlic from the jar, either works. Next I like to mix in the meat with the spices. And you can just do this with your hands or you can also use a spatula, but I feel like your hands work the best. I like to add the spices into the meat before adding in the eggs, the breadcrumbs, and the onions. Next we're going to add in 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, then half a cup of diced yellow onion. And then last we're going to add in 2 large eggs. And now we're just going to mix this together until completely combined. So now that it's time to ball the meatballs, we're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. And then I like to measure them using a 1 tablespoon scoop. And this does not have to be perfect. This is just to give you an idea so they're all about the same size. Then you're just going to roll it with your hands. So we're going to get about 36 meatballs. If you have 1 or 2 more or 1 or 2 less, that's totally fine. Don't worry about that. And you want to space them out just so they have a little bit of room on the sides, but we're going to have pretty much a full sheet pan. Then I just like to add some fresh rosemary sprigs in between these meatballs. This is going to give it just a little bit more flavor while they bake. Now we're going to bake these meatballs at 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the internal temperature is 145 degrees. Then you're going to turn the oven up to broil and boil for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they're golden brown to your liking. So once the meatballs come out of the oven, then I like to add them onto a platter. This is going to make it really easy to zest the lemon on top and then stick a toothpick in them. Now we're just going to zest a little bit of lemon right on top. And this is totally optional, so you guys can skip this if you prefer, but I love the little zesty tang that this brings. Now we're just going to take a toothpick and stick them right in the middle. And now we have delicious rosemary meatball bites that are sure to impress everyone this holiday season. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.